Hi, this is Ruben from Crown Themes, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to configure the combine theme beauty demo preset. So as you know, when you purchase a Shopify theme, you can choose the style of the theme from one of the styles that we created, and this will copy all of the predefined theme settings, which is typography, colors, layout, and everything here, but it will not copy any of the sections that are in the theme. So this is the purpose of this video. Let's go straight away into the template. We are starting this demo preset with one vertical slider that has a caption, some text. The text is set to be extra large. We are giving it a different background color, and we are giving the text color white because we are using the text blending mode exclusion. So if this would be normal, the text would be white, but because we are using a different blending mode, it needs to be inverse, right? We're setting the image border radius to 20 pixels. And then we're just having image after image with certain positioning and some text, some videos. We have the JSON files for the sliders in the description, so you can manually upload them and have a starting point with the sliders that we have in our demo. Then after the sliders, we have some promo cards with a section heading, a layout of 3 columns, media aspect ratio, text aligned to the center, small text size, small subtitle size. The card has some border radius, and then we have images that share the same card design background in order to be seamless design, with caption and title, and no borders, 3 of these. Then we have the collection list section, which is pretty straightforward, a simple slider with 6 columns. Each collection is a separate block, and we do upload images for each one of those. Then we have a featured collection where we just put the price, title, rating, and a product link in form of a grid. Then we have rich text with the image positioned on the right, set to be large. The image is set to fill the entire area, and also the section to be full width with the text aligned to the left. The card has a custom design with different background text and no borders. The content inside is text, heading, more text, and a button. Then we have the product set, which is a section that allows you to add up to 4 products at once in the cart. Then we have media with text overlay, where we're adding a single media. We're adding a video, and with some title. We're also adding an overlay and a different text color, and we're making this desktop color layout 1 column, cart height extra large, and we're making the section full width. Actually, yeah, here you can choose whether you want it to be full width or box. Then we have some scrolling text where we remove the top margin in order to be close to the previous section. Then more media with text overlays. This time we're having 3 different columns. The boxed layout with 3 columns. Cart height is set to large. Text alignment is on the left button. Border radius. Then we have one rich text, which is used without an image. We don't show the image. We just set the cart height to medium, and hide borders, make everything transparent, and write our text as we want here. Then the shop the look section, which is really simple. Then one info tabs with the image being 1/3 on the left, mid aspect ratio tall, and the style of the links is in the list. This is also pretty straightforward and easy to use section. Then we are using text columns with icons to showcase something like a logo list, press or whatever you want. We're having a 4 columns layout. We're hiding the border, and then in the custom card design we're setting everything to transparent except the text, and we're adding a custom icon. Actually here in this case it is an image for an icon, and we're not cropping the icon to a square. We want to show it in full width. A featured product with title, product rating, and the product promotion here. Image comparison, really simple section that inverts its layout for mobile devices. Testimonials, another really simple section in which we're setting the custom card design to have the background white and some border around all the elements. Blog posts with images, no border, radius, and the text, titles, and article link, and that's it. And finally ending with image with hotspots. We are using a different image for desktop and for mobile, and different hotspots for both mobile and desktop. And that's it with the homepage. Going to the products, we have quite some templates. So the default one is this one, where the product page has a slider. The gallery is a slider, 1 column, 2/3, giving more space for the image than the text. Gallery spacing 0, mobile media width 90%, and yeah, we're having the vendor, the title, product rating, price, icons list, which we're using just with the same icons and some text. The variant selector, which is set to be at blocks. We have container background set to primary. Inventory level, the buy buttons with the same container background primary. We're showing the price here as well. Then we have some collapsible tabs for main ingredients, full ingredients, how to use. Of course, you can link this to custom data. And then we are showcasing a new product. This is a cross-selling product, which a block, which allows you to have a single product showcased here. After this, we're using the text columns with icons, again with no borders, nothing between them, but this time we crop the icons into a square, so it's more like an icons section used for the products. Then rich text in a boxed layout. We still fill the image area, but the cards are medium. We play one is on the left, one is on the left, and the card has no background, no custom background, no custom text, no custom border. Again, note that these refer to custom colors, otherwise the colors will be the ones that you set in the theme settings. So even if it says border transparent, it's still the color that you set there. You need to hide it or put a different color, right, in order to be changed. Then we have one more rich text in the same settings, just we remove the top margin so that we put these together like you see here. Then we're using the info tabs to offer more information about products. This can be a really flexible section that you can use in many areas of your store, as you can see we did it. And lastly, we are finishing with some content toggles section where we're showing more ingredients, or whatever. Yes, you can also use this with dynamic data content, and adding at the end product recommendations. Then we have other templates for other kinds of products. We are using, for example, one for bundles, in which we are having products which are actually regular products, but the variants are with bundles. And we are using the, let me show you, the products list with the complementary products, or you can also use the product from, or the cross-selling product, where you can choose a single product. So we are using this section to showcase what's inside the bundle, so a single product. So this section can also be used for this purpose. Then the template continues in the same way, just a bit more simple. We also have section for other kits, where we're using this for this what's inside, so products list for an even more set of products. And this product actually is configured like this to be a container for something like similar, like a bundle. Going on to pages, we have the About Us page, using the main page section just to show the title. Then we have rich text with a filled image area on the right. We give the custom car design a background. Remember, this will be default if you don't set them. Then we have another without border, custom background, custom text, positioned on the left and without any top margin. That's also two rich text sections here. Then we have the build page, which is a simple page that only has the product bundler. We cover this in our setup video tutorial. The contact page, which just has the contact form, and that's it. And the blog page, which is also really simple, one column desktop layout, and then article with article navigation and comments in this design setting. So yeah, this is it with the beauty preset. You can use some of the information in this video as a starting point for your store, and of course watch our theme setup guide for a better understanding of all the sections that are available throughout the theme.